Yes. Hello, new channel selection system. Crystal Radio. I would like to introduce a little. This logo, cool, empty Coca-Cola can. This becomes the variable capacitor. Empty cola cans, variable capacitors. So you can select the station on Crystal Radio. This is the rotor of a variable capacitor. In the image of the spinning side. This is on the ground side. Inside the clear file, there's aluminum foil in there. You can contact us here. It's happening though, when I put it in and take it out like this. Capacitance peels off. However, aluminum foil and empty cans do not come into contact. That's how it works. Now you can select the station. Why is it a Crystal Radio? This is a variable capacitor. Of course you'll need earphones. Because it's a Crystal Radio. This is the coil. There's a germanium diode here. Coils are made with various taps. In this range, just approximately around 700 kHz. From NHK Radio first broadcast. 1332 kHz Tokai Radio. This 1332 kHz is. This is the highest frequency for AM radio around here. From top to bottom, make a tap on the coil so that it just fits in. By changing the connection of taps with clips. It is adjusted by changing the coil capacity. Just a good thing. From TNHK Radio first broadcast street at about 700 kHz. To Tokai Radio on 1332 kHz. It shows that it is being received. Yes, I'll try to connect it in a bit. Yes, the earphones are here. The earphones are now connected. Yes, Kohler's variable capacitor. Connect this to the antenna side. Connected to the antenna side. The ground side. This aluminum foil. Well, inside this clear file. Touch the aluminum foil to the ground side. This means that it has become a variable capacitor. Now it's a variable capacitor. If you don't connect the antenna, I can't hear it. Connect the antenna. Why is it a Crystal Radio? There are a few vinyl lines on the balcony. It looks like it's pasted on. Ground on the ground of the balcony. It is placed on the ground like a counterpoise. This is it, it's completed. You should be able to hear it. Listen to it. Listen to it. This is the best variable capacitor right now. The capacity is increasing. This is probably around 300 picofarads. I'll try connecting it to the amp. This is today's first broadcast on NHK. There's an empty Coca-Cola can almost at the back. Clear file and aluminum foil. This is where the capacitance between them is maximum. I'll pull this out. This is CBC radio. I think it is 1050 kHz. Furthermore, it's Tokai radio on 1332 kHz. So that's it. For now, the bottom is around 700 kHz. Up to 1332 kHz. Reception is possible with this change in the variable capacitor. Moreover, there is a sense of stability. It's quite high performance. Shortly, it says papipi. Let's hear beep beep. Aren't you happy? Already on internet radio. I can no longer listen to it on digital TV. The sound of the time signal. Listening to the radio broadcast. That means you can still listen to it. Let's try it again. Yes, NHK is number one. NHK number one with this much in it. If you bring it out this much. It's CBC radio. It's around 1050 kHz. This is the biggest one. I can hear it so loud. It's Tokai radio. It is that. From about 700 kHz to about 1332 kHz. By taking out and taking out empty Coca-Cola cans, it means that you can select the station. That's what I meant. Yes. Thank you for watching.